The word tenacity refers to the ability of being able to grip something very firmly with persistence and determination, and I can't think of anything more fitting for a new tire. And that tire that I'm referring to is the Tenacity from ITP. It comes in two different styles, XNR as well as XSR. Today I'll be testing the XNR, which is a continuous cap belt, while the XSR is a steel reinforced belt design. And both these Tenacity tires feature the same non-directional tread pattern that's not just a one-discipline pony, but a jack of all-terrain trades, able to take you from desert sand to washboard gravel to Canadian Shield granite and rock. It truly is an all-terrain tire, ready for whatever you're able to throw at it. When it comes to ITP tires, they use unique rubber compounds, and each one uses a different compound that's able to find a nice balance between traction and also tread wear. With staggered shoulder blocks, the Tenacity is not just a hard surface tire and finds traction on any surface it contacts, sidewall included. And thanks to the 10-ply rating, this tire is able to take a beating and keep on coming back for more. While the XSR as a steel belted design is super strong and engineered for the most extreme conditions, the XNR Tenacity that we're testing today is still a beast of a tire, and for the average recreational rider will deliver all the goodness of a true all-terrain tire along with great value. Now here at the DirtTrex headquarters, when we mount up a nice set of tires, we always like to find a cool set of rims to mount them up to, and as you can see, we did just that. These are the ITP Cyclone in 15-inch. Yeah, they are huge, and one of the cool things about the Cyclone, besides its super strong 8-spoke design and the Rock Armor exclusive inner lip protection, or its 1,000 pound per wheel capacity, is the included red, white, and blue interchangeable color inserts that let you tailor your rim to your rig, and even offer the possibility of having the inserts custom painted if you have a specialty color or graphic wrap. I know I always say it's not about looks, it's more about function, but at the end of the day, when it comes to wheels and tires, it is a little bit about the looks, and when it comes to these Cyclones, this thing's got some serious style. And for our XRC Turbo R, the blue inserts all the way around just add that little coordination pop of color and gives it a little more wow factor. Keep in mind that all ITP rims come with a limited lifetime warranty, and if you crack or bend your rim under normal conditions, ITP is going to stand behind it and take care of you. ITP is an American-made brand, and they're proud of it, manufacturing their wheels and tires in the good old US of A. So that's all well and good, but we all know that the true test of a tire is to take it out on the trail and see how it actually performs. And this 32-inch Tenacity claims to be a jack of all terrains, but doesn't really stack up that way. And from first glance at this tire, I knew it was going to be aggressive and provide exceptional grip, and that's precisely what it does. The amount of tread on the ground is significant per tire. Even with our square setup that we're running, I have ample grip in all situations. Wet rock grab is strong and even. On vertical faces, the Tenacity is bound and determined to grip and grab. High-speed stability and sidewall strength are evident as the tire doesn't roll over on itself or cause the XRC to feel uneasy in power slides. Even when grip is high and you're dropping off a hill into a downhill slide, putting extra force on the sidewall. Do I notice the sidewall shoulder blocks and the added grip? Well, that's a hard one to equate. I can tell you that I noticed the huge amount of forward motion that these tires offer me in this beast of a turbo, and I likewise find it harder to break free and get into a slide as the Tenacity seems to be significantly better traction on hard-packed than stock tires. So yeah, I guess that sidewall lug does help to add a level of grip and overall stability that I'm feeling. So I told you earlier that there's an XSR version of this tire with steel reinforced belts, and I wanted to give you the real differences between the two tires so that you know which one's right for you. The steel-belted XSR is more like a true LT truck tire. By that I mean that you have huge resistance to punctures, increased high-speed stability, and big-time traction because of the stiffness of the structure behind the tread. Along with that, you'll notice that you're going to add in weight, cost, and a stiffer ride. The XNR, with its CCB or continuous cap belt, will be lighter, which therefore reduces unsprung weight and helps your rig to ride better and respond to wheel strikes with less force, while also allowing the face of the tire to flex more than the steel belt design, offering a smoother ride. The nylon used in the XNR offers better compliance for trail riding with lower speed maneuvering. In other words, unless you're in competition use or absolutely pounding the daylights out of your side-by-side every ride, the XNR is going to be the tire for you. But should you need that extra durability and strength of an LT-style off-road tire, the XSR is there for you as well. ITP never stops innovating, and their off-road product offerings are impressive to say the least. No matter what type of terrain you're tackling, ITP's got a wheel and tire for your specific needs. Thanks for watching DirtTrax TV. If you liked the video that you just saw, please click the like button as well as comment below. You can subscribe to our page and also ring the bell if you want to be notified of future videos on DirtTrax TV.